Yo, what's up guys? In today's video we will see how to get a free 4 month of Google AI Pro account. As you can see, I'm in a free plan. I'm not subscribed to any plan in Google AI, not Google AI Plus, not Google AI Pro, and we will get now a free Google AI Pro account. First, you have to open the link in the description. You will get a Gemini Pro, and more with Google AI Pro plan, $0 for 4 months. You will get unlimited usage of Google Gemini Pro, and you will get Gemini in Gmail, Docs, and more, 5 terabyte of Google Drive storage. It's a special invite offer, so you just open the link you will get in the description and just click on Get Offer. Click on Agree, and you will have to add a payment method. It will not take any money from you. Just click to add create or payment method. Just add your payment method and your address and details. Click on Save Card. And then click on Subscribe. And now just refresh the page. When I open the Google one, I have 5 terabyte of storage in my account. Just go to Google AI and I'm subscribed. Current plan it's Google AI Pro. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.